magic dyeing adventure. Today, let's try something super fun, dyeing using things we can find at home. Look around your kitchen. What can we use? Juice, coffee, tea, yum, and also perfect for dyeing. For our fabric, we'll use white cloth or handkerchiefs. Cotton or linen works best. Let's get our tools ready. We'll need bowls, measuring cups, spoons, chopsticks, gloves, and rubber bands. Oh, and don't forget some small balls or marbles for fun patterns. You can also prepare things like salt, baking soda, or even chili peppers. First, we'll make a special soaking mix. Mix soy milk with the same amount of water. This helps the color stick better. Cut your cloth into smaller pieces, then soak them in the mixture for about 20 minutes. After that, squeeze them gently. If you don't have soy milk, that's okay. Just wet your cloth with water and squeeze it. Now let's make some cool patterns. Try wrapping marbles or small balls inside the cloth and tie them with rubber bands. This will create amazing surprise designs. Time to make our color potions. Here's grape juice, so purple and fun. Green juice powder, just add hot water. Instant coffee, mix it up. Turmeric powder, look at that bright yellow. And even tea. Green tea or black tea works too. So many colors to try. Once your dye is ready, place your cloth inside and let it soak. Let it sit for 30 minutes to 1 hour. The longer it stays, the deeper the color. Here's another cool one, onion peel dye. Soak onion peels in hot water, then add a little baking soda. Look at that color change. Now let's make a color locking magic mix so the colors stay bright. Mix cornstarch with hot water and stir it well. Place your dyed cloth into this mixture and let it sit for about 20 minutes. Time to reveal the magic. Take your cloth out, untie the rubber bands, and open it up slowly. Wow! Look at those patterns. Let it dry and see how the colors turned out. Did it come out bright? Soft? Surprising? Some colors turn out strong, others stay light. Dyeing is like a mystery. You never know exactly what you'll get until you try. So go explore, experiment, and create your own colorful masterpieces at home. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.